I will show how you can easily start using the Chase Sapphire Preferred $100 hotel credit. Hey everyone, this is Andy from Twin Finances, a channel where we talk about everything from personal finance to credit cards. To get started, go to chase.com. Then click your Chase Sapphire Preferred credit card. Click Redeem. Scroll down the page until you see Reserve a Hotel. Also, just to clarify, this credit only works for hotels. It does not work for flights or car rentals or any of the other options that you see here. Once you're on this page, go ahead and find a hotel that you want to book. In this example, I would just do San Francisco as a city and put in my check-in and check-out dates. I'll select this hotel. Then I'll select this room and click add to trip. Make sure this option says pay with card and not use with points, because we want to make sure we use our Chase Sapphire Preferred to pay for this hotel. That way we can use our $100 travel credit. Click start checkout. Make sure your traveler information is correct. Then click payment and review. Make sure on this page that the credit card selected here is your Chase Sapphire Preferred, and then click complete checkout. And those are all the steps to use your Chase Sapphire Preferred $100 travel credit. In the next couple of days, you should see a $100 credit applied to your Chase Sapphire Preferred. I personally used this credit a couple weeks ago on July 10th, and 2 days later I got back my $100 travel credit. Thanks for making it this far into the video. If you're interested in increasing your Chase credit card limit, then click on the video on your screen now.